They provide a framework that helps us structure our code in a way that's easier to understand, modify, and maintain. It simplifies our code, makes it more efficient, and allows us to focus on the bigger picture rather than getting lost in the weeds of complexity. These 4 pillars of OOP serve as the building blocks to creating more secure, flexible, and efficient code. Abstraction in the realm of object-oriented programming is like a magic trick. It's the art of concealing the complexity of a system, only exposing the essential features to the user. In object-oriented programming, abstraction lets us create classes that encapsulate complex operations. By breaking down complex systems into simpler, reusable components, programmers can manage and understand their code more effectively. It's like using Lego blocks to build a castle. By reusing these classes across different parts of the code, we eliminate the need for repetitive code. Abstracting the complexity away means less room for mistakes. Understanding and implementing these principles can greatly enhance your programming skills.